Introducing Brush Bliss 2-in-1 functional toothpaste and toothbrush, the ultimate solution for busy individuals who do not want to compromise on hygiene or innovation. Combining a high-quality soft bristle toothbrush with a built-in functional toothpaste system, Brush Bliss delivers a seamless brushing experience anytime, anywhere, whether you're at home, at work, or on the go. Brush Bliss ensure your smile stays fresh, healthy, and confident, simplifying your routine while enhancing your oral care. Introducing Brush Bliss 2-in-1.
Now I would like to present about BMC. This system model focuses on an innovative 2-in-1 toothbrush and combines toothpaste and brush in one compact product. It involves key partnership with eco-friendly packaging suppliers, retailers and pharmacies such as Watson, Guardian, Shopee, Lazada and market agency for branding and digital campaign. The main activity include customer engagement, collecting feedback and product R&D to enhance design and sustainability. Key resources include unique product design and high-quality raw material such as durable braces, self-handle, and dental-grade toothpaste. The value proposition highlights that the product is affordable, time-saving, hygiene, compact, and ideal for modern lifestyle. Customer relationships are built through personalized support and a loyalty program offering point or discount. The product is distributed via online marketplace, e-commerce website, pharmacy, and mini market. Target customer include busy professional, student, and travelers who value convenience and space-saving design. The cost structure include raw material, manufacturing and product development. Revenue stream come from direct sale and subscription plans with monthly and quarterly auto delivery to loyal customer. Thank you. Now I would like to present.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Syafina binti Kaide. My matric number is A238174. Now I will present the value proposition canvas for Brush Bliss 2-in-1 functional toothbrush and toothpaste. This product is designed to meet the needs of people who live fast-paced life and want a quick practical solution for oral care. It targets users such as students, travelers, and working adults who value ease and efficiency. Our customer jobs include the need to clean their teeth quickly and easily, especially during busy routines. They also want a space-saving and portable solution that ensures fresh breath throughout the day. However, they often face several challenges. Carrying a separate toothbrush and toothpaste can be inconvenient, especially during travel. There's also a risk of forgetting one of the items, and limited time make it hard to maintain proper oral hygiene on the go. Brush Bliss helps solve these pain points by combining both products into one compact, travel-friendly tool. It eliminates the need to carry two items and speeds up the brushing process. Users no longer need to find space to store toothpaste or worry about forgetting it. The design is light and easy to use, reducing the hassle of traditional oral care routines. Moreover, Brush Bliss creates gains by making life easier and more organized. It is perfect for use anywhere, in the office, dorm, car or hotel, and supports a clean, active lifestyle. Its modern design and practical value appeal to today's mobile generation who want convenience without compromising hygiene. In short, Brush Bliss delivers a complete solution for everyday oral care wherever you are. Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Syafina binti Kaide.
There are three innovations on our product. The first one is launch different toothpaste flavor. For example, mint flavor, charcoal flavor, and whitening flavor. For mint flavor, the detail is a classy and refreshing choice. The mint variant provides long-lasting freshness and cooling sensation. For charcoal flavor, infused with activated charcoal, this variant offers natural detoxifying properties. It gently leaves surface stains, neutralizes odor-causing bacteria, and help whiten teeth without being too abrasive. Whitening flavor, formulated with milk whitening agents like baking soda or hydrogen peroxide derivatives. The whitening toothpaste aims to restore brightness to teeth effective by stains from coffee, tea, or smoking. Second is introducing options: soft versus medium bristles and whitening or sensitive toothpaste variants. For example, bristle type, soft versus medium, designed for users with sensitive gums, braces, or recovering from oral procedure. Number two is medium bristles, suitable for users who prefer a firmer brush for a deeper cleaner. And the last one is we do value bundle packs. For example, family bundle. For a set of 6 brush for soft bristles, for kids friendly mint or milk bubble mint, and 2 medium bristles whitening brushes. Convenient for parents to cater to both children's gentleness need and adults whitening goals in one pack. Next is travel and lifestyle pack. Number 3 is compact travel, ready box with one soft bristle sensitive formula and one medium bristle charcoal formula. And the last one is perfect for frequent flyers, gym goers, or commuters who want flexible portable oral care options. There are three.
Hi, I would like to present about advantage of our product. One of the most significant advantage of using the Brush Bliss 2-in-1 function, toothpaste and toothbrush, is unmatched convenience and portability, especially for individuals who are constantly on the move. Unlike traditional oral care set that required user to carry a separate toothbrush and a tube of toothpaste, Brush Bliss combines both components into one compact, easy to use tool, eliminating clutter and saving space. This is particularly ideal for students, travelers, office workers, and fitness who need quick and hassle-free oral care solution. Moreover, Brush Bliss is cost-effective, offering 2 essential oral care products in a single purchase at an affordable price point, which is especially attractive to budget-conscious consumers. Hi, I would like to present about advantage of
Mahalnya. Nak beli untuk travel je pun. Ni belum beli termasuk dengan ubat gigi lagi. Dah 2 ni je dah 50. Hai, tak ada ke burst gigi dengan ubat gigi yang mesti travel sikit?
Hai, awak nak beli ubat gigi Rufi ke?
Untuk saya pergi travel bulan depan.
Sebab kami ada keluarkan produk baru, iaitu Burus Gigi 2-in-1 Multinational.
Wah, boleh saya tahu dengan lebih lanjut?
Boleh? Inilah produk kami.
Wah, menarik. Boleh awak terangkan sedikit pasal ini?
Ini adalah Burus Gigi 2-in-1. Dalam dia ada ubat gigi. Ini adalah satu teknologi yang terbaru yang kami keluarkan yang tak ada dalam Malaysia lagi.
Oh, boleh saya tahu berapa lama dia tahan?
Untuk produk ini, dia bertahan selama 3 bulan.
Oh, menarik. Macam mana saya nak order benda ni?
Awak boleh pergi ke website Brush Bliss site ataupun boleh dapatkan di Shopee, TikTok dan platform media sosial lain.
Boleh? Nanti saya akan order.